Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to movie 5 on the topic of formatting our research papers. So, in the previous movies, we learned how to set up we learn how to do the page setup, and then we learn how to construct uh, a cover page for our assignments or research paper, and we learn about the key components under chapter 1 introduction. We also learn how the key components under chapter 2 review of related literature. In particular, we learn about some concepts related to heading levels, heading level 1, heading level 2, heading level 3. So in this movie 5, I'm going to talk about uh, um, heading level 4 that we might use, but I'm sure we won't need heading level 4 because the 3 levels of heading, the first 3 levels of heading would satisfy what we want. But in order to demo, I would go to how to format heading level 4 as well for chapter 3 on research methodology. So as I said earlier, I fall in love, and I guess now you fall in love with turning on the paragraph symbol. I turn it on right now. So now I want to start adding chapter 3, research methodology. So how do I do that, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, very simple. Do not hit enter. Don't do this, please. Please undo. So you might want to hit enter once, okay? When cursor is blinking, ladies and gentlemen, we go to page layout. We go to breaks, and under section breaks, we click on next page. So now our cursor is on the next page. So when you can see the notification here, it says section break next page. So when we when we do section break next page, basically we break the relationship, we break the link, or we break the chain that connects this page with the next page. We go to home tab, we go to center, and now we can enter chapter 3 research methodology. Since I already prepared key components of chapter 3, again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to import the text from another file. So it's fun to do that. Please do that. We go to insert, and then we go way here, object, and we're gonna insert a text from file. So now what I need to do is to locate the file that I save. So, and insert. So now everything is here. And as promised, I'll show you how to format level 4, because we already learned how to format level 1 heading, level 2 heading, level 3 heading. And in this chapter, I try to show you how to format level 4. Okay, let's do this homework together, ladies and gentlemen. So chapter 3, research methodology is supposed to be level 1. So we're gonna bold it, and I conceptualize this as level 1 also. So we are done with level 1. Level 2 is research design. We're gonna bold it. Research site, we're gonna bold it. It's level 2. Participants and sampling, it's level 2, we bold it, and they are aligned to the left. Research instruments, sometimes you have more than one instrument, so you have to add plural research instrument. So here, ladies and gentlemen, research instruments, so research design, research site, participants and sampling, research instrument, and after that you can guess data collection. This is also heading level 2. Data analysis, heading level 2. Ethical considerations, heading level 2. So basically there are 7 elements or components under research methodology chapter. So now we have already set up heading level 1 and level 2. Let's go to heading level 3. So under research instruments, let's say we're gonna use a questionnaire and observation forms. We're gonna collect data using questionnaire and do the observation, and we have the observations forms already prepared before we go to, for example, classrooms and do the observation. So we can conceptualize a questionnaire as a heading level. Yes, level 3. Thank you. Level 3, bold, italicize. Observation forms is another research instrument, so it's level 3, bold, italicize. And then I want to show you heading level 4, but I guess we never go to level 4 or level 5. It's rare. It's rare that scenario gonna happen. So here, observation form is split into 2. For example, here, in order to corroborate the results from the questionnaire, this study attempts to collect some qualitative data as well. 2 separate observation forms were adapted and utilized in the present study. So observation form is split into 2, teacher observation form and classroom observation form. One observing the teacher, another one observe the student, for example. So teacher observation form is conceptualized as heading level 4. So we bold it and we indent it. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see it is indented one type, and then it ends with a full stop, and you can start your paragraph. Okay, do not start the first line under heading level 4. Okay, so it is indented, and then you write down heading level 4, you bold it, do not italicize, put a full stop, and then you can start your paragraph like that. So this one is also heading level 4. So it's indented, bold, and then we can start the typing. We can start typing from here. Okay, don't bold it because this is, do not bold the body text. So we are ready to go. So that's how we construct heading level 4 for our research project. If I turn off paragraph symbol, everything looks beautiful. It's just so beautiful. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with key components of chapter 3, research methodology. So basically, when we talk about the research proposal, your research proposal, my research proposal, gonna end here. It's gonna be ending here. So, and after that, you imagine, ladies and gentlemen, you imagine we're gonna go to, yes, we're gonna go to page layout, page break, and next page. And we need to center, and guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, references. And then we can enter the reference entries that we use, in particular in chapter 2 literature review. And can you guess also, ladies and gentlemen, what is next? Yes, even if a research proposal, you might have some necessary documents already. For example, you might have a questionnaire already developed, perhaps not piloted yet, but already developed. It's a good idea to attach necessary materials such as questionnaire also. So appendix gonna be on a new page. You guess what? I turn on the paragraph right now. So now I can go to page layout, breaks, and next page. So we are good to go. We are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the end of the research proposal, and this is the end of formatting your research proposal. So in movie number 6, I'm going to talk about reformatting this research proposal a little bit more so that we are ready to add research results or research findings, discussions, and conclusion, limitation, recommendation, and further studies for the whole research project. And I shall see you again soon. Thank you.